Okay. Okay, I start all my videos with okay. Well, I had the camera running for a 90-minute stereo drawing flight, or at least I thought I did. And I said all kinds of interesting things about what I was going on and how to fly a helicopter and all that. And when I landed here to get fuel afterwards, I discovered that the damn camera had turned itself off. Wenatchee area traffic helicopter 7534 Delta at the fuel island is departing to the south. So, you missed all that, which means I'll have to remember what I said and try to do it again. And don't worry, it would not have been a 90-minute video. All right, there's an airplane parked right behind me because somebody thinks that that's okay. All right. Good, here we go.
FlyingMAir area traffic helicopter 8612 Foxtrot, approximately 5 to the north, going to be transitioning north to south, low level, and I'll try to stay on the east side of the field, looking for traffic. FlyingMAir.
Hey, Wenatchee area traffic helicopter 34 Delta is just departed the fuel island, crossing runway low level midfield, headed landing zone in Malaga.
Maria?
Yes, who's this?
Gunner, have a nice day, ma'am.
Wenatchee traffic ground vehicle crossing 1230.
I don't know who that was. Ooh, birds underneath of me, that's okay.
Yeah, FlyingMAir area traffic, A-Star, Victor Hotel is more to the west. It's going to be overflying airfield, remain east at all times, area traffic.
Wenatchee traffic ground vehicle clear 1230.
Okay, so I have a new LZ because I decided I'm going to park with the guys. Hopefully this stupid camera's still running. Are you running? Okay. And we'll go into that. That'll be a little video for us. Rainy day. I dried cherries for, I don't know, about 90 minutes. I didn't look at my meters yet. There was a lot of trees. They were really nice. The flying conditions are great today. There's no wind. A little bit of rain. You can see it on the windscreen. We'll probably go out again in another hour or so. Just enough time to go home, get comfortable, and then get called out. Such is the life. So my new LZ is about, I don't even think it's a quarter mile west of where I was. It's in a much larger field. When we come in, the other pilot that's working with me, Skylar, he should have just landed. Let's see. I still have to get my approach nailed on how I'm coming in. Oh, there he is right there. It's right there. It's actually a good higher point, and it gets a much, much better cell signal. I put a little windsock up there. We'll do a circling loop to come down. Oh yeah, they did mow that nice for us. So I'll do descending turn and come in kind of near him, but by that other road.
FlyingMAir traffic, copter 12 Fox, approaching midfield to the east, about a quarter mile out, southbound 12 Fox. FlyingMAir.
Oh, they mowed a ton for us. Should park it on this side. Let's park it on this side, do a little different. Park it right here.
Traffic, A-Star, Victor Hotel is about 1 to the north. Going to be landing the FBO to the south side.
Well, I don't really like that because it's slow in the front. We park up, I don't know, that's close to the road. I think I'll park where I was yesterday, or near where I was yesterday. Let's pick it up and move it.
Didn't quite catch
I'd like it
that
to
one.
be as level as possible. This is a good spot right here. Or it looks more level anyway, let's see. Sometimes you can't tell till you land on it. It still looks like it's going to be a little low in the front. Oh, not bad at all. Okay, good.
A-Star, Victor Hotel is going to be crossing midfield, landing to the south FBO.
I don't know why that guy's landing already. He just took off, but okay, whatever. And cool it down, and we're done. So that was a short flight. You can see the low clouds out there covering the top of the cliffs. We're not flying. All of our orchards are down much lower, so we don't have to deal with that. And there's a bit of drizzle. You can see it on the windscreen. Baby. So it's a shame I lost that video, or I never had the video because its camera wasn't running. Can't look behind me while I'm driving cherries. And I'll repeat that. I have a feeling we're going to go out shortly. This is a short video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks very much. If you want to see more, look at the channel, subscribe. You'll get turn on notifications. You get learn about them as they come out. And I try to put out, this time of year, I try to put out 2 a week. And I did 3 last week. And there will be a lot of cherry drawing, but I have other stuff too. So stay tuned.